we're making a big change to Reese's Easter eggs.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Just kidding. They're already perfect. But have you ever wondered why these egg-shaped treats taste even better than regular Reese's cups? There's a science behind it, and we're cracking it open today.
Really good. Yeah, I like this.
Two great tastes that taste great together. Reese's Peanut Butter Cup.
Reese's Peanut Butter Cups have been around since the 1920s.
Pure milk chocolate, old-fashioned peanut butter.
Reese's Peanut Butter Cup.
But the Easter egg version, that was a game changer.
And early this morning, people all over town have reported unusual sightings in their Easter baskets. Peanut butter Easter eggs.
Anyone who knows Easter knows Reese's peanut butter eggs are Easter's best.
First introduced in the 1960s, Reese's Easter eggs quickly became a seasonal favorite. Unlike the classic cups, these have more peanut butter, a smoother chocolate shell, and, let's be honest, something about their shape makes them taste different. Fun fact, Reese's makes more than 80 million Easter eggs every year just to keep up with demand. But how are they made? Let's hop into the factory and find out. Like all Reese's products, it all starts with the peanuts. Reese's sources premium Virginia and runner peanuts from farms in Georgia, Alabama, and Texas. Those are roasted at over 300 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 degrees Celsius. In massive ovens. Bringing out that rich, nutty aroma we all love. After roasting, they're quickly cooled, shelled, and ground into a special peanut butter blend. But here's the twist. Reese's peanut butter isn't as smooth as the kind in jars. It's slightly grainy, giving it that melt-in-your-mouth texture when mixed with chocolate. Once the peanut butter mixture is ready, it's off to the shaping process. Unlike classic Reese's cups, Easter eggs aren't made with molds. Instead, machines extrude the peanut butter filling into perfect egg shapes, kind of like cookie dough being piped onto a tray. Each egg gets weighed to precise gram levels, ensuring every bite is perfectly balanced. Then, they take a ride through a cooling tunnel to firm up before getting coated in milk chocolate. And this is where things get really interesting. Reese's uses Hershey's signature milk chocolate, which is melted down and tempered. This process keeps it glossy and gives it that perfect snap when you bite in. Each peanut butter egg is placed on a conveyor belt and dipped into a flowing curtain of liquid chocolate. This enrobes the peanut butter core completely, creating a thick, even coating. Unlike traditional cups, there's no ridged edge, just smooth, creamy perfection. After a quick quality check, the eggs head into the final step. Once coated, the eggs travel through another cooling tunnel, stretching over 100 feet, where the chocolate hardens into that classic Reese's shell. Then, high-speed machines wrap each egg in bright yellow packaging, ready to be shipped across the country. Fun fact, Reese's Easter eggs are so popular that they start production months before Easter just to keep up. So why do Reese's Easter eggs taste better than the cups? It all comes down to the peanut butter to chocolate ratio.
Hey, you got chocolate on my peanut butter. You got peanut butter on my chocolate.
With more peanut butter per bite and a thinner chocolate shell, you get a creamier, more balanced flavor. That's why so many people swear by them. And that's the magic behind Reese's Easter eggs.
It's which comes with peanut butter. Duh.
Now, we want to hear from you. Do you prefer the classic cups or the Easter eggs? Drop a comment below. If you love this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the next sweet secret we uncover. Thanks for watching, and happy snacking!